Hi everyone! Want to create a seamless pattern in Photoshop fast? Let me show you how. First, open Photoshop and bring in the design you want to turn into a pattern. Now go to the Edit menu at the top and click on Define Pattern. Give your pattern a name, then click OK. Your pattern is now saved. Next, go to File, then click on New to create a new document. Choose any canvas size you want and click Create. After that, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click on the Adjustment Layer icon. From the menu, select Pattern. A new window will pop up. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Pattern Preview and select the pattern you just created. Now adjust the scale to make it bigger or smaller until it looks perfect. Once you're happy with it, click OK. And that's it. That's how you create a seamless pattern in Photoshop quickly and easily. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.